Yes, my people, good day. Yesterday in my live, I started repairing this bumper for the Bentley. This whole piece was broken off, almost off in two pieces, and a piece over there that was broken. So now I put the fiberglass and everything in the back, and I was reshaping because a whole section was missing. You're about to see it. So now it dry overnight. So I'm just doing the unveiling now, and then continue with the bodywork, trying to repair this bumper. This bumper cover from the dealer new is $6,000. A few people ask, why don't you just buy a new one? An unpainted bumper cover, $6,000. All right. You have to be able to see the diamond in the rough. It is not perfect, but it gives me a good platform to continue on to get it back to this look right here. You can see where the white and where the green is. So anywhere you see this green or this brown looking area, there was nothing there. It's just missing. So now I have now a substrate to bridge over on to do my work and continue doing the repair. Then I'm going to go over it now and get everything on one flat surface with more fiberglass bondo. And then after that, then I use regular bondo, and then I'm gonna smooth all this over. It's going to be beautiful, trust me. Yeah, because there was nothing here yesterday, and then now there is something there. So just wanted to update you so that you can see. Let me give you a closer look. See all this stuff is solid, made on there now. Right, I'm going to reinforce it more on this side. And this is the other side. All of that was missing. And then now I have stuff there. So working on it, give thanks and praise for life. Yeah, blessing. I finished this thing up for deliver Friday. Today Tuesday, I didn't want to procrastinate too much on this one. Have a blessed day. Yes, my people, good day. And this is the conclusion of the bumper repair on the Bentley. Looks a little bit better than it did before. There's no gaping holes on that side, nor on this side. Give thanks to life. Thanks for coming along for the journey, spending the time with me. It was a wonderful ride. Gave it a mini bath. He will detail it when he gets it. Bless. Have a wonderful day.